Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful square pattern which is titled Fleur square, and this pattern is made with three colors. The dark color that we use in between enhances the beauty of its pattern. Okay, for this particular pattern I used soft peach, sky blue and navy blue in the center. Okay, all these are add-in yarns. And I always use my 5 mm clover armor hook. Let us go into the video without much delay and learn the pattern, friends. In the magic ring, place a single crochet, chain 3, place a treble in the magic ring again, chain 3, 1 treble again, chain 3, single crochet in the magic ring. So this is one set. So make 4 such sets. This is one. 3 more sets you complete, and I shall get back to you when I reach this particular point. I've come to the end of the round here. I've made the last chain 3 and slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made and fasten off. So we have 4 petals here, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, triple, 3 chains, triple, chain 3, single crochet. This is one set. So I made 4 such sets and we have 4 corners here. Okay, I shall be back with the second color and go about the second and the third rounds. With right side facing, join the second color to any treble that is to the left of 3 chains, before the 3 chain. Slip stitch and join. Make a single crochet in the same treble, 1 single crochet in the third chain of the 3 chains, that is this chain of the first chain of the 3 chains that we made here, and 2 doubles in the single crochet, this has become too loose, sorry. Now single in the on top of the chain 3, this is the 2 loops that we need to pick up. Every chain will have 3 loops. Single crochet on the treble, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet under the chain 3 space. So this is the stitch repeat from one end to the other corner. So repeat the stitch pattern on all the other 3 sides. I shall meet you when I come back here. I've come to the end of the round here. Now complete the last corner. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, slip stitch to the first single crochet, you may chain 3 and begin, or make your standing double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have placed 7 single crochets here. When we come back, we place one, we complete the corner, place one single crochet, one double crochet here, so that becomes the 8th one, and here we place one double, chain 3, one double in the corner. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this corner, one double, chain 3, one double, and then place one double on each of the stitches here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the 9th one will be in the corner. So you will have 10 double crochets on all the sides. So complete the stitch pattern and come to this corner. I shall meet you at this particular corner. I have come to the end of the round and the corner. The first corner we did not make, or the last corner as per our round. One double, chain 3, one double, and place your last double on the single crochet we did here. Now slip stitch to the first DC, fasten off. I shall be back with the third color now. With right side facing, join color C to any corner with a slip stitch. Sorry. You may chain 3 and begin. Chain 3 is considered as a double crochet. I will make my standing double crochet as usual. Let me finish the first half corner. 2 more doubles here. So one half corner is done. Chain 2, skip 2, and place a double in each of the next 2. One double in next 2. Chain 2, skip 2, one double in one double each in each of the next 2 DCs. Chain 2 and make the corner 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. The dark color gives an enhancement to the floret here, hence I am using a dark color. Here we go. So forget this corner. From the corner, chain 2, skip 2, 1 DC each in each of the next 2 DCs. Chain 2, skip 2, 1 DC in each of the next 2 DCs. Chain 2, skip 2. In the corner, make 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. This is the stitch repeat. Repeat this stitch pattern on the other 3 sides. I shall meet you when I complete and come to the last corner. That is the first corner we have made. We made the half corner here. Okay, I shall meet you here. I've come to the end of the round here, so I've chained 2, complete the first half corner, 3 doubles, chain 3, slip stitch to the very first DC and complete the and fasten off 1 2, and here is the stitch. Insert your hook. You may do the normal slip stitch, no need to go for the invisible here. Here we go. So this round is done. I'll hide the yarn behind the stitches. Okay, I'll be back with the next color. We are going to use color B for the last and the final round here. Slip stitch and join to one of the corners. And you can make a double or a chain 3 as per your wish. Two more doubles in the corner. So first half corner is done here. When we come back, we will place 3 doubles and chain 3 and wind off. Place 1 DC each on each of the next 3 DCs. And 2 doubles on the chain 2 space. One double each on next 2 doubles, 2 doubles in chain 2 space, 1 double each on next 2 doubles. So each double is going to have 1 double on it, and under the chain 2 spaces you're going to make 2 doubles. So continue till the corner. I shall meet you at the corner, second corner here. This is the first corner. I have done half of it. I've come to the corner. In the corner, place 3 doubles, chain 3 doubles. Only in the corners you have chain 3 space, nowhere else you have the chain spaces. And repeat the stitch pattern that we did on this side and the corner. So side, corner, side, corner, side. And when you come to this corner, I shall meet you here. I've come to the end of the round here. So let me complete the first half corner, 3 doubles. See that this loop is tight enough and not too loose, otherwise the V will become too big. It will not be the same as the others. So chain 3, slip stitch to the first and fasten off. So this is the first, second, and here we have the first stitch. If you're done chain 3, it is the third chain of the 3 chains. So fasten off. Here we have a beautiful floral motif or a square, whatever you can name it. This beautiful motif is titled as Fleur, F-L-E-U-R, Fleur square. Hope you enjoyed making this, friends. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share the video, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.